Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I want to go over some of the MREs that we ate in the military. So what I did is I got 4 MREs that seem like they could be low carb, keto friendly. All right, so the first one that I have is the Tuna Chunk Light Water Packed Lemon Pepper. That seems like probably the most keto friendly, even though it might be high on protein. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm just gonna open these up and go through the nutritional data. Gotta go to the gym. So right off the bat, the tortilla plain, it's no good. Total carbs for one package is 37 grams. So, and we have the baked snack crackers. So this one container is 26 net carbs, no good. Then we have the MRE trans fat free spice pound cake. It's a big word. It is total carbohydrates 34 grams. So this one has 18 grams of sugar, so no good. And then we got smoked almonds. Okay, that's cool. So smoked almonds, one of these packages is 4 total grams minus 3 fiber and 1 gram of sugar. So out of 19 grams, 1 gram of sugar. That's not too bad. So that's keto friendly right there. So the fat-free mayonnaise is 21 grams total. And then 3 grams of carbs, 2 of those sugar. I guess that's a maybe. It's mayonnaise. I don't know why they make it fat-free if it's mayonnaise, but strawberry banana dairy shake powder. This one is 70 grams for one package, and it's 44 grams of carbs, 20 grams of sugar. So that's no good. Okay. And then we got the tuna. There's 2.5 servings at 1 gram each, so that's 2.5 grams of carbs. But the only bad thing with this one is you got the 0.5 grams of fat and 13 grams of protein. So you would have to use the mayonnaise, but it's fat-free, so it's 0 grams of fat. So you're looking at half a gram of fat, 13 grams of protein, and then 2 grams of sugar. So technically keto friendly, but you need some more fat somewhere, right? So I'll put this on the keto friendly side for now. All right, so the next one's gonna be the Asian style beef strips with vegetables. Okay, so beef, vegetables, seems promising, but the tuna look promising, so we'll see. Okay, this one comes with a little heating pad. All right, so the first thing is the white wheat snack bread. Nope, it's 59 grams and 32 of those are carbs, so no good. Spoon, this one's candy, no good. Grape jelly, 18 grams of carbs, no good. Chunky peanut butter, okay, let's see. Chunky peanut butter has total carbs 10 grams, 3 grams of fiber. So 7 grams of carbs, is that worth it? Doesn't seem worth it. So I'm gonna say no. Okay, and then again, another cocoa beverage powder, 32 grams of carbs, 23 grams of sugar. Okay, so this is fried rice, so no good. Fried rice, no good. So Asian style beef strips with vegetables has, so 15 minus 2, 13 grams of carbs for this. So this packet is 227 grams and 13 grams of carbs. So it's actually not too bad. Not terrible. I don't know if I want to spend 13 grams of my 20 grams on one pouch. That's crazy. So I don't know. I'm gonna say no. And of course, it has the information here for the fried rice. The fried rice has 36 grams of carbs. 2 grams of sugar. So the next one is the beef patty jalapeno pepper jack. All right, so first is the snack bread, no good. Oatmeal cookie, 34 grams of carbs, 18 grams of sugar, just the one packet. Crazy, no good. Cheese spread, okay, cheese spread, what do we have here? So this is one serving size of 1.5 ounces. Total carbohydrates, 1 gram. All right, so cheese is good. I knew that. Heater. Another cocoa beverage powder, 23 grams of sugar, just the sugar alone. Okay, and then what else do we have here? This is the beef patty with jalapeno, and then this is a cherry blueberry cobbler. Okay, let's look at that one. It's 142 grams for the pouch and 34 grams of carbs minus 2 fiber and 24 grams of sugar. Jeez, so no good. And then the beef patty, I have my hopes high on this one. So 3 grams of carbs, 2 fiber, 1 sugar, so 1 net carb. So this patty right here is 1 net carb, and it's actually, the serving size is 85 grams, so that's pretty good. So we'll put that on the side here, and then it's another wheat snack bread. Okay, so for this one you get 2 of the breads. I guess you can make a sandwich with it. Okay, and so I had 3, and then one of my co-workers brought this meatballs in marinara sauce. Just out of curiosity, it seems like the meatballs might have breading, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the 4th one and last MRE. So this is Italian breadsticks, and it has 26 grams of carbs, minus 2 fibers, so 24. Not good. Tropical punch flavored, 33 grams. So it's it's 34 grams total, 33 grams of carbs, 20 grams of sugar, 0 fat, 0 protein. Terrible. Okay. Turkey nuggets. Turkey nuggets, I guess it's like jerky or something. This is 5 grams, 3 grams of sugar. Is that keto friendly? 2 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein. I'm gonna say no. Turkey doesn't have enough fat, has too much protein. It's almost like tuna without the mayonnaise, so no, I'm gonna say no. Cheese spread, another cheese spread, so we know this is good. Oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie, and this one is 57 grams total, 35 grams of carbs minus 2 fiber, 20 grams of sugar, no go. Okay, other stuff. Okay, so now the main meal. Okay, for this one we got garlic mashed potatoes. That's a gimme, right? That's obviously no. Mashed potatoes. So 1 packet has 16 grams of carbs. It actually doesn't seem like a lot. 14 grams. So technically I can just eat this and it'd be okay. Garlic mashed potatoes. That's surprising for some reason. Okay, and then meatballs and marinara sauce. So we got 20 grams of carbs minus 4 grams of fiber. That's interesting. So 16 net carbs. Surprising. If it was the only thing I had to eat all day, like in Ranger School, you only get the 1 MRE, this wouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna say yes to the meatballs and marinara. Just surprisingly, it's not as many carbs as I thought. 16 is too high for 1 meal, but if you're only eating 1, like on keto, you only normally eat 1 meal and then a snack. So this is actually not too bad. So I'm gonna say this maybe, okay? And so that it leaves us with the beef patty and jalapeno, the cheese spread, 2 of those, the tuna. The mayonnaise doesn't really help, so that's trash. And then the smoked almonds. So 4 MREs, and this is keto friendly. That's crazy. No wonder everybody's fat. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know some of you are probably mad watching me open these MREs and not eating them, but somebody's gonna eat them. They don't go to waste. So, okay, so before my lunch runs out, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Okay, this one's gonna give me trouble.